Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie, and I'm here with my girls. We are going to Costco and Trader Joe's. As you're watching this, I am in surgery recovery. I have some things that I need to get here to make our summer easier, hopefully make recovery eating for me a little easier. My family's going to worry about their own food, prepping it, but I want easy things that I'll eat, that I'll enjoy, and not worry about like what they want to make and trying to make foods that I like. Because I only eat one meal a day, I always am a little more particular on what I want. Bottom line, there's some things I need to get from Costco and Trader Joe's to make that happen, so it's simple and still delicious. I don't know if we need more maple syrup, but it's $3 off, and I love the Kirkland maple syrup, $9.49. Well, we are dreaming of new pool furniture. Probably not going to get any, but girls, what sample do you hope we have in the back?
Spicy chips.
Okay, Elsie?
Some sort of coffee drink.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see if their words come true. But first, we're gonna go get Cheez-Its. Even though we don't have school snacks, these are great to take to the park. It's a constant win. And they're $14.99 for 45 bags. Always happens when kids come. You buy things you maybe wouldn't have otherwise, but Mila asked for Pirates Booty. Another good grab and go, $12.99. I was surprised because I don't remember my kids eating that, but she's committed. Okay, another grab and go I'm gonna grab are the variety pack of veggie straws. They have an instant rebate, $5 off, so they're only $12.99. Okay, and the Gushers are also on sale. Again, bringing your kids is a dangerous, expensive mistake. $3.90 off, $8.89. Okay, it's not what either of them asked for, but the first sample is a hit. Both of my girls love the cilantro lime rice. We're gonna get a box of this. Easy lunches. You guys share a bag or do you each eat your own?
Share. No,
Sure.
no, eat our own.
We need to get two. They're $9.69 a piece. That's 12 lunches. I still have not opened this yet from Sam's Club. Probably should do that soon. I love the Better Than Bouillon here, but we are stocked at home. Ooh, everything bagel seasoning. We ended up coming down this aisle to get out of busyness. This is a bad time to be here. We, of course, have to look at these Squishmallows. They have Lilo and Stitch. A couple different varieties here. And they also have just the normal Squishmallows. They're $30. Super cute. I've been corrected. Angel and Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Come on, Mom. Pretty much anytime I come to Costco, I end up buying the paneer. $8.99. We love this stuff. And $9.99. I'm getting the habanero cheddar. I love this so much. Easy addition to my OMAD. I will be cutting this up and eating it. So good. Okay, so they have quiche. I was hoping they'd have mini quiches. That is what I feel like I'll like in recovery because it's kind of more of a complete thing. You could bake it and it's ready for you. I guess I could bake it and have half of one each time, but I wanted little mini ones. Quiche is something only I like, so it'd be really easy for me to have it. And yes, I would probably eat half of it. We'll keep looking for minis. I might come back to this. I also think Trader Joe's might have mini quiches. I just don't want to leave here and then they don't have it. What do I do? What do I do?
Oh, I don't know.
These little burritos are also kind of tempting. Never had them though, so I probably won't try them and commit to them for recovery. I've had these and love them. This is very interesting. Octopus? Ooh. It could be yours. Now this will be a family thing while I'm in recovery, but we all love the Panera mac and cheese, $10.99. Get one of those. Easy dinner Dad could add to, right?
Yes.
This looks so yummy to me. Mozzarella with artichokes and garlic chicken sausage. They're on sale, but I feel like I'd be the only one that would eat them. But you can freeze them and eat them, but that's a lot. Okay, so these egg bites are kind of tempting, but I like crust with quiche. So they have sous vide egg bites and bacon and Gouda, and cheese trio with red peppers. But that'd be a lot easier to add to my meals probably than quiche. So I could get 10 servings if I got both of these. And I could add chicken breakfast sausage. That actually sounds good to me too. That'd be kind of easy, I feel like. Oh, that's a lot of it
I'll
too.
fry you some sausage.
I think I might do this. I feel like it's gonna be a really simple addition. That's 10 meals. That's a lot more than 10 meals. Okay, I think I found my winner. I don't need quiche, but I'm gonna have this $13.99, $11.99, and $11.99. Although I might keep, since I'm getting this, I might just stick with the trio and red pepper. Yeah, I'll get 2 of these. Yummy.
Spicy, okay?
We are here on a Saturday morning right after they opened. I have never seen it this busy. It makes it very hard to look and to peruse. And also there's so many kids. I mean, I have my kids here with me, but why did everyone else bring theirs too? I'm not a juice lover, but my kids are. And we are getting these Apple and Eve apple juice, $12.99, and you get 24 of them. Okay, this is always a summer stock up for me. $13.89, you get 4 packs, 28 total. Hebrew National, that's my favorite hot dog. And I just stick them in my freezer and then we have them. But I do like to buy them when they're on sale. But they're not on sale right now. Otherwise, I'd probably buy 2 packs. I normally buy these at Meijer, but I'm gonna try these. It's a really nice big box. You get 5 pounds of them for $15.69, and it's one of the easiest ways for me to get my son to eat protein, because he can have, let's see here, 3 OMAD 6 and get 10 grams of protein, and he happily eats them. I'm gonna get this, $9.79. This is perfect for pool parties. We make drink containers, lemonade. I like to have this on hand. Perfect. We can add this to the list of things that I don't need, but I desperately want. Like, how cute is that? It's a Tupperware pitcher with tumblers, and the tumblers have lids. $30. Adorable. A lily pad. Cute. Take up our whole pool, but if you live on a lake, they got it here. If you don't have a pool, they've got those too. Aldi has been out of their pepitas. $8.99. I love these things so much. So with that, I think we're pretty set. We have some random summer things. I'm excited that I got stuff, the eggs and the sausages. I'll have cheese, nuts, like really simple. I don't have to do prep or make it too much because I'm gonna just be lazy. Any guess on our total? And I'm not sure when you'll see this, so I'm sorry if the sales are over and you don't get to take advantage of the sales. That might be the case. It probably will be the case because we are here right before the sale ends. My apologies. If my kids want me to buy them things, they have to work. Okay, our total is $208.02.
Follow the instructions.
Their treat for coming with me, besides spending time with me. Here is my solemn swear to myself that I will never come here again on a Saturday morning, ever. Okay, so right across the street from Costco is our Trader Joe's, and if I go to one, I always try to go to the other. They're kind of out of my way. But this is a madhouse here as well, so we'll see what I find. There's one thing I'm here for though. Actually, I lied. There was 2 things. So I wanted to get unsweetened coconut. I was looking for bigger ones that I've had in the past, but I love this on yogurt. I think yogurt's gonna be a really good thing, but I'm getting that at Aldi. But I love this on my yogurt, $2.29. Okay, this is actually good through August 5th. I'm gonna buy 3 of these. I love this stuff so much, and I have a feeling iced coffees will be nice in recovery. It's so yummy. I'm getting 3 at $1.99 a piece. This has nothing to do with recovery, but I saw this and I want to try it. $3.49. Yummy. I don't have time or space to really peruse. There's so many yummy looking cheeses though. Crunchy chili onion, yum. cheddar cheese with scotch bonnet and chilies and red peppers. Yum. I've had the black pepper cheese. Delicious. Green goddess Gouda. That sounds so good. I might actually have to get that too. I really have a feeling I'm going to be eating very simply. And it's all going to be foods that I love. Because I can eat the same foods that I like many times in a row. Let's see here. I'm trying not to get a giant one. I thought I saw a $4 one. Maybe not. Wait, this is one. Okay, I'll get this one. Smaller, $4.89. Teeny tiny strawberry rhubarb pies. Yum. $5.49.
I'm
The
really
problem is I don't want
thinking about
4 of
trying
them.
this thing.
I'm gonna get these, hide them for my kids, and have them with my husband one day. Aldi's been out of these. I'm just gonna grab a couple things of broccoli. Again, this isn't really to prep for the surgery, but I want them. $1.99. Actually, I'm just gonna get one, hoping all these are back because they're way better priced. And then I want to get this bag of peppers. I wish Aldi sold these $1.99. Emmy loves these so much I can't not get her a bag. They are the worst smelling, but they're her favorite treats I've ever given her at $2.99. Do we need these? No. Do they look delicious? Yes. $3.49. And I'm making myself not look at any other treats because we have so many treats still. The Sweet and Snack Expo set us up. But that looks so good. And I know my family will love it with me. Yay, they're almost always out of these. Black bean taquitos. I'm gonna get 2 packages of these. They're gonna be easy summer snacks. My daughters love them. Or even dinner while I'm in recovery. $4.29 a piece. And then I'm also gonna get 1 chicken one. My husband loves these. But they're almost always out of the black bean, so I scored. Woohoo! I refuse to put anything else in the cart. Any guess on the total? Their flowers are so beautiful. They have peonies right now. All these cards here as I'm standing in line. So much fun. Go ahead and call me a liar because I just found these in line and I'm gonna get them as well. Hopefully they last for a while, but they look so good. I love root beer. There's the new cart. Any guess on the new total? Okay, my total at Trader Joe's was $50.94. Guess what Elsie's having for lunch as I'm literally unpacking our stuff. She mixes the rice with cheese, the Mexi shredded. There you go. Where's the Cholula?
I realized that I forgot to put it on just like a couple minutes ago.
You normally do put that on though, right?
Yeah.
My girls love it. Okay, so I'm back, unpacking, taking care of everything. So this will be like an easy dinner for my family, the mac and cheese, but I was more doing this to make sure that I can be taken care of. You know, my husband can handle things for them. But because I eat 1 meal a day, again, as I mentioned, I really wanted to make sure that I knew it would be food that I liked, and I'm not super picky, and I don't mind eating the same things day in and day out for a while. So I put a lot of time and thought into this. The egg bites, I'm pretty excited about. I love breakfasty foods. I don't eat them often, so I feel like this will be a nice comforting treat. I'll have some of these, some chicken sausage, which I also really like, and these seem really yummy. I also like that I could freeze like probably a package. And then I'm probably gonna make like some sort of a hash of potatoes with these peppers, and then I can reheat it. When I heat these up, just have some sliced cheese with it, probably an iced coffee with creamer, and then from Aldi, I'm gonna get their coconut yogurt, which I really love. I need to buy that more often. I don't know why I don't do it. And then I'll probably have like blueberries on top with the coconut, some pumpkin seeds, and honey. Chia seeds, which I already have. And then I'll probably buy mini avocados right before I have my surgery, and can have like a very delicious, pretty hearty and nutritious meal. Very simple that someone else could get ready for me. It'd be pretty easy for me to get ready for myself. And that's my plan. Hopefully next week things will be normal. You're seeing this while I'm in recovery. I'm recording it obviously before my surgery. But if you want to see what a normal Wednesday video looks like, where I look at all my Aldi finds the day they come out, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.